Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is doing great. I am starting a 3-day tour to London. I'll be including all my activities and events as a 3-part vlog. So, welcome to day 1 or part 1.
As usual, the flight was from Cork Airport. It was quite windy there. This was a long awaited trip and it was all fully planned ahead. The flight took off on time and we are on our way to London Stansted Airport. I always love the view from the window seat. The layers of clouds and Ryanair somehow gave me a free window side ticket. Whilst we are still in the air, let me give you a short info about Stansted Airport to those who travel for the first time or looking to travel. Stansted is around an hour's drive or travel from London City. So once you land in Stansted, you will have to connect via bus or train. I had booked the bus ticket and the bus station was just outside the exit. The first attraction of the day is Buckingham Palace. The weather was so sunny and welcoming when I reached there, but all of a sudden it started raining. The place was so crowded and took a few shots of the palace and then moved on to the park nearby. The buildings look so grand and extravagant, and then we moved on to see a change of guard activity right near the castle. That's number 10 Downing Street, residence of the British PM. That's the iconic London telephone, and I wasted no time to make a fake phone call. For an average Londoner, this is the most important aspect of the city, the underground. It's so extensive that me, a person coming from India, was surprised to see the the underground transportation network and how fast it took people from point A to point B and with minimal disruption. The next destination is Madame Tussauds, and that was a pre-booked event, and I suggest people to pre-book it as you might face long queues if you try to get a ticket from there. The Wax Museum had such a collection of all of my favorite celebrities. My wish to take a photo with them, all of that came true. Madame Tussauds is not just a wax museum, it's more about entertainment. So there is a ride which takes you through ages to show you how London evolved over the time. And they also run a Marvel short 7D movie, I think, or 11D, I don't really remember, but I couldn't record it. And it wouldn't make any sense recording it over a regular camera. You should be there to experience it. In London, you can see people from all parts of the world. Here is a North African music for you. The next activity is a boat tour through the canal, and the location is Camden. That's it, lads and ladies. We are at the end of our boat trip.
Yeah, it has been quite a heavy day today. The travel, the bus ride, and took a lot of tube to see different parts of London. And this will be the last ride for today, and more activities are planned for tomorrow and the day after. So right after the London Eye, go back home and take rest. So we'll show you some of the videos from London Eye as we go there.
That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching my vlog. See you with more content next time.